What's going on, y'all? Jimmy Malcolm. It's time for episode 3, season 4 of Sons of Anarchy. Let's get to it.
Sorry.
Okay.
I just wanted to thank you for the other night.
Great old lady.
Thank you.
Oh, sweet.
Raising Jacks was the best thing that ever happened to me.
Shit, right? She knows about
I
that.
love my son.
Is that supposed to be soothing? The place stinks. Oh, I don't like where that's going at all. Thank you, Gemma.
You earned it.
My relationship isn't about accruing points. I'm not playing World of Warcraft.
No idea what that means.
It means we think differently. Thank you.
Bright as hell in here.
All right, me and you, LeBron. One-on-one, winner takes all.
Shit, yeah, my lemon-headed sucker.
Lemonhead! Lem! The Shield! If you haven't seen it, watch The Shield immediately. Talking for the okie doke. This is not gonna go well.
Because I miss you, man.
You want me with?
No, we're good. Stay available. I need somebody to haul some ammo.
Take feeling whatever. He's feeling left out.
Damn, bro. This beach white nigga got you looking like Cleveland.
That's bullshit, man.
Get the keys!
Yeah, if I vote for the drugs, you're not about any vote. I'm handing you the gavel because you're the best guy for the job. If you want it. I'm giving you my word.
That was beautiful. I don't buy any of it,
He's
but
out in the South Res. Get in your truck and follow me.
gladly. That's going to shit, Bobby and Clay. It has to. It's the only thing I'm certain of. That doesn't last.
Older we get, further away we get from who we think we are.
It's a great goddamn line.
You done here, Confucius?
Yeah. You brought me here to be your goddamn spotter?
I'm finishing what I started.
I wonder if she moved it. Because,
Shit.
Clay talked to her. Oh. Who's that?
I'm sorry, baby.
Congratulations to the sheriff. Oh my fucking... Okay, now turn back around. Focus.
Oh, shit. Oh. Sorry. I was just doing some research.
Sonoanatomy and feasibility of ultrasonic graphic guidance in term and preterm neonates.
It's a trilogy.
Families of our dead sons asked the gods to choose their revenge. They chose slow death by flesh-eating ants.
Some real cowboy and Indian shit, see?
It's about closure. Be right back.
Isn't that a power move? Maybe we can sit here and watch this poor guy die before we negotiate.
Okay, they're gonna try and sell him.
All right, shut up. This hood? Only one place to do that. Vivica, French fence. They better be there.
To be fair, it was pretty fucking stupid.
The only thing you need to know is that my soil is in desperate need of aeration.
Wouldn't want to get between you and your dirt.
I appreciate that.
Shit, that's them! Yo, stay here in case the truck runs up!
So Nubian goddess is a big deal. So I'm calling her for a moment. I recognize her from somewhere. Hair's not cut like that usually, though. Shit!
license and registration, please.
Family's gonna be disappointed. Should have suffered at least another 2 days.
Jesus!
We're not making a dime more off of your ammo. You got my word.
Jesus, Clay. Jesus, Clay.
Okay.
See? Now you see how much the word means, right, Bobby? That's how much it means. A buck. Clay stinks. I love Clay, but he stinks. Jesus. You got no long-term planning of any kind. You're just going from problem to problem, solving it as it comes.
He is gonna shatter your boy's face unless you give it up.
All right, goddamn, man. Just listen. We sold it to Vivica. Luther only gave us half the cash. We were headed to get the rest when y'all spotted us. Money's in the glove box.
Shit.
You broke down in my office. You asked me.
I know, and I still feel that way, but I have to let Jax lead us out, Margaret. It may take longer, but
Longer can very easily turn into forever. You know that. Please think about this.
So Jim was trying to check you out. She knew exactly what she was looking for. Absolutely. I think Clay might give it up. By accident, obviously.
What the hell is it with you guys? I don't have your goddamn gun.
Maybe your boys know something about it.
Yeah, how about it, boys? You taking on a little side biz Mama don't know about?
He's gonna get you that F-350 with Super Duty.
You know how much you load that truck, Mom? We even had the red one all picked out and shit.
My apologies. Give them their guns. All of them.
Cops are gonna be here.
Tell Appy I'll send his mom some tomatoes. Family meeting inside.
That worked out well.
Luther,
Big motherfucker, boy. God damn.
Left me here, alone, with his sons.
sorry.
I loved him. Like you and Jax. I was 19.
Oh, Jesus.
This ain't good for anybody.
Agreed.
You understand me?
Is that maybe... I think it'll push Jax to get out eventually. I know it hurts. It was a lot. Jax says he wants out. I still don't buy it all the way.
And my father fishing at Rockaway Beach. Huh? Now, you grew up in Queens, right?
Nobody fished at Rockaway. Not unless you wanted to fry up beer bottles and syringes. That ain't Queens. What's the game here, man?
Go ahead, Juice.
As far as Sam Crow is concerned, you never even existed. So much for affirmative action.
You don't know dick about my club.
Yeah, you right.
So what happens now?
We go back home to our families. I'll stay in touch, brother.
Roosevelt is a favorite of mine. He's no stall, but he's fucking fantastic.
You don't need to know.
Drugs are not what we do.
You don't tell me what we do.
Damn.
Nice. You got my vote. And Miles. But when we're done with the cartel and Clay's gone, it's you and me sitting at the head of that table.
Oh,
Get this
shit!
thing it should be.
Wireland Clay, too. God damn.
You got in business with the Galindo cartel.
I don't trust them. No.
No. I'm sorry. I'm a no.
Oh, shit.
6'5". It passes.
Close one, huh?
You ever try to end run me from my old lady again? I'll slit your throat.
I like her hair this season. Alright. Sorry, I'm not a big moment, but
This should have been all of this could have been yours.
Alright, that was episode 3 of Sons of Anarchy, season 4. Where to begin? I gotta give my man Roosevelt some props. I've got to give him some props. I know I have at least twice now compared him to Stahl, and unfavorably so, because Stahl is one of the greatest villains ever. However, I would say when we were 3 episodes in, I wasn't that big of a fan of Stahl, positively or negatively. Therefore, I think 3 episodes in, I would take Roosevelt over Stahl. Now, the trajectory of Stahl is kind of like this. But just doing 3 episodes. Roosevelt's been fantastic. Juice is in a rough spot, even though Roosevelt seemed to be having a good time with it. I'm not entirely sure what the race rules are. However, I can't imagine Roosevelt's that far off with what may or may not happen to Juice. He might be off, but not that far off. I really want Tara and Gemma to be okay. However, that's not going to happen. That's not going to happen. And even though I think Clay did his best to kind of smooth it over, he definitely made it worse. I don't think he quite understands how intimidating he comes across. Especially considering she's read letters about you and what you may or may not be guilty of. And while I do think Gemma can be awful at times, particularly what we hear about her and John, the fact that she was 19 years old does give me extra pause. Like, she's a kid. So, as much as I was thoroughly impressed with Jack's last season, I am equally unimpressed and annoyed with Clay this season. While Jax appears to at least want to try to play the long game, Clay makes no effort at it whatsoever. He simply goes from problem to problem, doing whatever he can to solve it, without any thoughts about where this movie is going to land him. I mean, like, even from moment to moment, forget day to day or week to week or month to month, from moment to moment, you make Bobby this promise, one of which he and Jackson agreed on, about Bobby taking the reins. You use the words, you have my word on that. Then you outright lie, something Bobby knows is a lie, to this guy, and you say you have my word on that. This is bad. Sir, what the fuck? Clay stinks. It's fun to watch, but good lord, he stinks. Jack's line OP hurts. Hurts a lot. I don't want to talk about it. Like, it hurt my feelings. I prefer Jax to OP, but OP's such a soldier, and he's been through so much. Anyway. Last but not least, Lemonhead's an idiot. Miles? Is his name on the show? Yes. But we got introduced to... Shit. Vivica? Is that her name? Who may or may not be an important character? I don't know. We shall see. Anyway. Post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Jimmy Macram. It's time for episode 4 of season 4 of Sons of Anarchy. We'll be in touch, brother. Let's get to it.
What's up? Hey. Rez. Welcome to the border, brother. Thanks, man. Good to see you, man.
Redwood.
Jesus, he's a piece of shit and everything.
You mule, we sell.
Same shit. Shut it down.
Jesus.
Sorry, sir. Not your club. Not your call.
Let's go.
Been here all of 12 seconds, and there's already a major issue. And of course, Clay, being the supreme strategist and political diplomat that he is, shut it down. But that's gonna work, absolutely. I love Clay, Jesus.
Double Reggie turned in his patch. Dude had 18 years.
Little Paul was his monster. When he got killed, just broke him up, man.
You got out before the crank vote?
Yeah, almost 5 months ago. 4 kids, mano. Ain't got a choice.
All right, bro. Come on.
Fishy business behind that guy, huh?
Be right there. Can I help you?
You sell mer. All right, I'll do that. Gemma.
Rita.
Nice to meet you.
Likewise.
Chucky.
Hello.
Go wait. I wouldn't let the mayor see that sign. He might fire your husband.
Just imagine what he'd do if he knew I was the one who started that committee.
Do I know you?
Oh, I'm sorry. Nick Stackhouse. Work for the zoning department.
Oh, Gemma Teller.
Thanks for the light, Jim.
What's he up to? I like Rita a lot. And not just for the obvious, though that is almost too distracting. She's got some game and she ain't backed down from Gemma, which is always a win. Shit. That smirk. That's a great visual. You went all out, huh?
I'm guessing you'll find this guy was part of his unit. Probably second.
He's almost over the top, Cookie. He's totally over the top, but almost too over the top for me.
Maybe.
Oh, sorry.
You know, most civil people would knock before entering.
I'm not most people.
She's definitely not civil.
What are we, George and Gracie now? Sorry to interrupt.
You little bitch.
You having trouble with the grip? Handle your business. We'll be at the truck stop.
And he's always the worst criminal in the bunch. Like, he's always completely incompetent or fucked over.
Just give him some tequila. That'll do it.
I'll check in on you later.
Not suspicious at all.
What you doing, old man? When you want with Ted, leave it alone before it kills you.
It's half the reason I'm doing it.
That's a great answer.
Take another vote on the crank?
Yeah. Pass. Sorry.
Are you shitting me?
Guys got a taste of the money, Clay. It was unanimous.
Damn.
We better get moving.
Come on.
Not a goddamn word.
I like Bobby. I agree with Bobby, but I'm sick of Bobby. We took a vote. It passed. It's done. Let's move on.
Here's all her info. Future daughter-in-law. Lucky you. Have a good night.
fine as shit. Focus. The counterfeit money? Where'd you get $5 grand from? For this? That fast? Man, no, doing well because of the cartel deal.
I'm good.
Oh, fuck you.
According to the autopsy report, traces of semen were found in your wife's undergarments. The county was finally able to run the analysis, got a match from the system.
Fantastic.
87.9% actually. The person having sex with the victim is the perpetrator.
Wow. Left the pictures? This cunt. Oh, I hate him so much. Don't look! Don't do it! I was wondering if that Bobby shit would come back up when he mentioned it earlier about him sleeping with his fucking... Don't look. Always difficult for Otto. Fucking shit.
Give it a safe ride, gentlemen.
We'll be up in a few days to check on the operation. Buena suerte.
I would not. I don't. They've been competent for, let's say, half a season. Back half of last season to this one. I don't trust them to make this work. At all. At all. It's a bunch of fuck ups. I don't think, correct me if I'm wrong, I don't exactly think, I'm not sure, but I don't think Bobby is all the way pleased with this deal. Alright, we got it. Enough. Enough. Alright, that was episode 4 of season 4 of Sons of Anarchy. Where to begin? First things first, this episode felt kind of odd. Kind of a one-off. Kind of a, I don't want to call it a bottle episode, but a self-contained episode almost. At least we came to the main storyline involving the Suns and the Arizona Suns. That aside, I did enjoy the episode, though Bobby continues to get him. Listen, I'm with you. This drugs situation, this cartel business is, while it is profitable, it is potentially catastrophic for the Suns. You're literally getting into bed with the devil. Well, not literally, but you're figuratively getting into bed with the devil. I get it. I would have voted against it. I don't know why more people did not vote against it. But we did vote. Well, no, some people didn't. Jax, Clay. But we did vote. And everybody being of right state of mind voted their conscience or their wallet. And you lost. So either run away, quit, black out, whatever the fuck you gotta do. Not that kind of blackout. We'll be in touch, brother. Or shut up and get with the program. It's done. That's all I'm saying. Love Bobby. That's all. And how dare you try to be self-righteous when you fucking fucked out his wife. I know you get a pass because he's in prison, whatever. No pass. Now he's fucking, this creepy preacher, the used to be preacher in Deadwood, is accusing you of possible murder, insinuating, trying to drive a wedge in between these dysfunctional pieces of garbage. Oh, we've got a whole situation. Oh, we've got a whole situation. And there's the stuff with Gemma and Rita. Oh, good lord. Anyway, Gemma and Rita. I don't know what that's about. You got the Gemma and Tara and Piney situation, which is ready to explode. I like that we're continuing to play up Piney's allegiance to John, which we kind of set off in season 1. I don't know what kind of head we're coming to, but we're coming to a head. Big head. I gotta be honest, I'm glad we had a little break from Juice and Roosevelt. I know it was only one episode of it, but that makes me the most uncomfortable for obvious reasons. And I think it will make me all the more happy when Roosevelt comes back. Because he's been the star of the season with relative ease. He is fantastic. Anything else? I don't think so. No, that's out of my fucking head. No. Post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe.